friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start the new topic which is called arpeggios. In arpeggios we know that we use different degrees to make it an arpeggio from which comes out of the scale only. So in this one you use the first, third, fifth and the same as a tonic note at the one octave higher. So that means the eighth degree. So in simple way, if you understand, it is first, third, fifth and the eighth degree we use for an arpeggio. So let's start from the question. So it says write a key signature for the key shown, then write one octave arpeggio in the rhythm given below. That means we have to use the same rhythm, okay, which is given here, and they have told us which key we have to write, and we have to put the key signature for that key or scale. Okay, so let's start from the first one. So it tells us it is C sharp minor, descending, then ascending. That means we have to put it descending and then ascending. C sharp minor, and it's a bass clef. So C sharp minor, we know we have 4 sharps, okay, which is relative to your E major. Okay, remember that. So let's put the key signature first. So we start from F here, go to C, we go to G, and then D. Okay, now let's write the time signature, which is 6/8, and now we put the notation here. So let's start from the 8th degree because you have to, it is descending way. Okay, so this is bass clef, so this is, we'll start from C. So C will be the ledger line here, we go C, then we put the 5th degree, that would be your G. Yep, then we come down, that would be your E, then put down here, this will be your C. Now we go back upwards, this will be E again, then your G, let's put the bar line here, and then you finish with C. Okay, let's put the rest here. Okay, let's put the stems first. And we make it here. Okay, next let's do this one. Okay, so this is how you finish your first question. Now let's move to the next one. Next one is our, so if you want to check, you can check that in a C, let's say C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So this is your first degree, third, fifth, and an octave, 8th degree. So we start with the 8th degree here, C, and then you go to G, then we have E, then we have C, we have E, we have G, and we have C. Okay, so these are the notes for your arpeggio for C sharp minor. And we have done descending and then ascending. Now let's move to the next question. Next one is G sharp minor. So G sharp minor, we know we have 5 sharps as a key signature. So let's make the key signature. This is a treble clef, and we start with F, C, G, D, A. Okay, time signature 6/8, and we have to go ascending and then descending. So let's start from G. G is the second note, second line. So G, that's your first degree. Your third degree would be B. The fifth would be D. And then the 8th degree, that will back to G. We come back to 5th degree, 3rd degree, and then unison, the 1st degree. Okay, Let's put the rest here. Now let's put the stem. Here also we go. Okay, so that is how we finish our G sharp minor arpeggio, ascending and then descending. Let's move to the next one. Okay, next one we have A flat major, descending and then ascending. So A flat major, we have 4 flat as a key signature, and this is a treble clef. So we start with B, E, A, and then D. So I hope you remember I told you beat. Okay, remember that to remember faster your key signatures. Let's put the time signature 6/8, and then we start from A. We have to go descending, so we'll start from, this is a treble clef, and we start from the ledger line here. So that's your 8th degree. Then we go to 5th. Then we go to 3rd. We go to 1st degree, that is A, 3rd, 5th. Let's put the bar line, and we finish with the 8th degree here. Rest. Let's put the stem. Okay, so that is how we finish our A flat major, descending, then ascending order. Just remember that we have to use the 1st degree, 3rd degree, 5th degree, and the 8th degree. Okay, this is as ascending order, and when you're doing descending, we have to just put that back down, that we use 8th first, then 5th, then 3rd, and then the first one. Okay, so for today we'll do these question. Part B will come in the next one, because otherwise it will become a very long video. So please, if you like it, please share with your friends who needs it, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.